Finally, to the level 4, and we should be trying these. I'm not sure. Some people are taught in other classes when you get to level 4, that's an option. Really, we've spent enough time that you all should be attempting and trying each of them. So Mr. Jones is going to build a fence around his garden. The garden will be a rectangle, so go ahead and build a rectangle with a length of 2x plus 3 and a width of x feet. Well, if this side is 2x, well, then so is this one. And if this width is x, then so is this one. So write and simplify an expression to show the total amount of fencing Mr. Jones will need. Hint, draw a diagram will help you solve this problem. So here's our diagram. So we have to write an expression and then simplify it is the idea. So I'm just going to start somewhere. I'm going to start at this corner. If I went around, that's a distance of 2x plus 3. And then when I turn this corner, I've added another distance of x. And then when I turn this corner, I've added another distance of 2x plus 3. And then we go here to add an x. Okay, so that's your expression, simplify it. So put a box here, put a box here, put a box here, put a box here. Those all have the same variable. They all have an x. And then triangle underneath the 3s because they both don't have x's. So combine your boxes, combine your triangles. You got 2x plus a 1x plus 2x plus 1x. How many x's do you have? And don't tell me you have 4 x's. You have 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6 x's. And then we can combine our 3 plus our 3, and that is another 6. So last thing, fencing material costs $4 per foot. Write an expression to show the total cost of the fencing. So this is a measurement. This is how far along it is. So if this was 10, I'd plug a 10 in there, and it'd be 6 times 10 plus 6. So it'd be 66 feet is what I need. And for every one of those 66 feet, I need to multiply it by $4 per foot. So this, again, there's a reason this is level 4. The idea here was we're taking this expression 6x plus 6, and that's my total distance in feet around the fence. And every foot I multiply by $4. So if you did expand that out, which we've done in class, right? You would distribute this. You'd take 4 times 6 and get 24 x's. Then you take 4 times 6 and get 24. This will be the price once you know the number of feet you have. So again, if I knew I had 10 feet for this width, I'd plug a 10 in there. I'd get $240, and then I'd have to add $24, and then they'd be paying $264 for that many feet of lumber or fencing material.